This video is going to be about using parce que in French. Now, parce que is one way of saying because in French. That's the easiest way. That's why we're using it in French 1. So, parce que means because. All right, it makes the second part of the sentence, everything that comes after parce que, into another clause. Now, since you have another clause, that means that you need to have another subject and another verb. You can't just say parce que amusant or parce que intéressant. Okay, literally that means because interesting or because fun. Okay, you can't do that. You have to have a subject and a verb. So after parce que, you can have a couple of different ways. You can go parce que c'est, the C apostrophe EST means it is. Okay, parce que c'est amusant or parce que c'est intelligent or parce qu'il est or parce qu'elle est. Now, if you're going to use il est or elle est, you need to know what the gender is of the thing that you're describing in the beginning here of your sentence. Like, j'aime le basket. Okay, le basket is going to be masculine, obviously. Parce qu'il est amusant. Okay, so you're going to use il est. Now, you may have heard while I was saying that the parce qu'il est. So, because of the fact that you've got this parce que, I'm going to write it right here. Okay, you've got parce que, and you're going to have il coming right after it. You cannot have these two vowels be next to each other in French. So, what you have to do is you are going to erase the E and make this into one word. I'm even going to erase the il right here so they can be close. Parce qu'il est whatever. That works the same way with L. Also, you can't have the two E's next to each other, so it becomes parce qu'elle est whatever. It does not, however, with this consonant of the C. So let's do an example of a sentence. Okay, let's go with the one I just said. J'aime, we got aimer conjugated correctly for je. J'aime le basket parce que so we look at here, it's le basket, it's masculine, so you can use il est or c'est. Personally, I'm always going to use c'est. So parce que c'est amusant. Again, right here, our adjective must make agreement with the subject, which is le basket. It is masculine, so you just leave it end with a T. You could have also, another way to end the sentence, parce qu'il est amusant. You might have heard me pronounce that T and A on this time. You do because of the liaison that happens right here. Il est amusant. Okay, you don't need to be as pronounced as I just made it. I just made it for your benefit so that you can hear that it's there. But it's parce qu'il est amusant. Because you have to have a consonant sound before this vowel sound. Okay, I made a little extra dot on the U. There's no dot on the U. Okay, so il est amusant. Again with the liaison, but as you write this, you're not going to write the liaison in there. It's just something that you use when it is said. I made the little thing to show you that that's what happens with it. All right, so this is how you use parce que in a sentence to create a clause, giving reasons for why you like something or do something or whatever. Remember, if you have any questions about this, you can ask me before, after, or during class. You can put questions in the question box that's on the file cabinet for me to answer during the beginning of the class period, or you can email me or make comments on the video below. And I will see you in class.